Alright, what I'm doing right now, I have the Mototec, a 48 volt, 1000 watt drifter cart. Typically when you buy these, the batteries that come with them maybe last about a good year. Then again, it all depends on how you charge them, how you maintenance them. Also, just where you're located. I'm out in Arizona, and right where it's hot, so I don't expect my batteries to last very long at all. So anyways, these are the batteries that I have that were stock in there. As you can see, those things are all swelled up and no longer good. So I bought these ones. Here's the company I got them from, so definitely check them out. Apex, best price so far. I own 3 of these drift bikes, so yeah, one battery, one set lasts me about a good 8 months. On my first cart I bought, these last 2 are basically right around the same time, where it's just longer to replace. So anyways, this all you have to do is, those are the connectors, chop those off. I remade my own, so you can loop them, run them in a series, and then I'll connect those back up. And there you have it. By no means do I call myself any kind of electrician, so spare the negative comments, but I need to get this fixed for my son. I've already had to do my own, and just got to put a couple things in there. When you take this apart, everything's inside a bag. That sense right here, but after so many, they glue them all. So the batteries are glued to this bag. Battery acid leaks, it just falls apart. So I have to remove it and try to put some more little cushion under there, so vibration and whatnot. Well, I hope this helps you guys out. I will be doing my other cart here in about another 5 minutes.